Hey Laura! What are your thoughts on the snowstorm?
I love it. It's actually really pretty though.
It's pretty, but it sucks.
Pushing the car across the street.
Well, we need to get that.
And they have bears. They don't even have mittens on.
I don't even know why people bother.
Everybody should just stay home today. This is Minnesota cold. Minnesota snow.
I mean, these snowflakes are so big.
Let go, but we'll probably get in trouble. It's really pretty on the trees.
Yeah.
Can we go?
Can we go?
Why did he go?
He's Korean and we're white.
Here, can you take one more picture of me?
Yeah.